Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day today and welcome back to my Applebold channel. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get tweaked apps on iOS 16 to iOS 17 without computer. At the first, open your browser, go to search Apple P12 Telegram and click that. You can join the Telegram group. On this group, you can get certificate. For you, if you want to get the tweaked apps, you can click the Assign link. Click the Install link with a green button. Then click Install. It make installation process. After that, open that apps. If you cannot open eSign apps, like this video, you must make it trust first. Go to your setting menu, General Setting, VPN and Device Management, click the HDFC, then make it trust. After that, you will open the Assign apps. Make it agree. Go back to your Telegram group. Click the zip file. Save it. The zip file is your certificate. Make sure the folder you save you remember. After you save, you can import the zip file in eSign apps like this video. Make unzip first to extract that certificate. Import the .p12 file. Make sure the import has successfully. Input the password correctly. You can find the pass on Telegram group. Swipe the Assign apps to File menu. You must import another certificate. Like this video, you must import the tweaked IP file. Import. Make sure the import has successfully. Swipe to Apps menu in eSign apps. To find Misaka apps, click that, then Signature. Make sure the Install after signed is turned on. Then click Signature. Click Install. You can success install the tweaked apps. On Misaka tweaked apps, you can install the apps exclude on iOS. Without jailbreak. Without computer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you on my next another video.